Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch between personal and business account in TikTok. So let's get into it. Once you're in your TikTok, head over to your profile by clicking the profile icon. Once you're there, click on the hamburger menu on the upper right corner. Here you can see an option settings and privacy. Go for it. Now, here click on account. Here you can see an option switch to business account. Tap on it. Here you can switch to business account, then follow the instructions provided to switch your account type. And yeah, that was easy, right? If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you the next time.